We are from Mukesh Bhai Patel Mula Muruji Sainiki Shara, Tande, Shirpur. We have participated in the competition of Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Our project name is Crop Sister by Agnispark. This project is made by our team Agnispark and the team members are I, Gaurav Devre,
I, Anuj Anil Kumar Kulkarni.
I, Ronak Ashok Patil.
I, Dheeraj Patil.
And I, Disham Devendra Dubey.
under the guidance of Miss Sneha ma'am. The problem statement of this project is
Farmers often struggle to choose right crop for current environmental conditions. Crop failure due to incorrect soil moisture, temperature, and humidity monitoring. Manual observation is time consuming and often inaccurate.
objective of this project is
Our objectives are design an IoT based system that monitorize soil moisture, temperature, and humidity. Features real time weather data from open weather environment. Suggest the most suitable crop automatically.
And our solutions are intelligent crop suggestor, real-time farm data, monitoring using ESP8266 sensor, automatic crop recommendation based on soil moisture, soil humidity and temperature, web-based dashboard for easy monitoring for suggesting crop.
and the working of this system is ESP8266 sensors collect soil moisture, temperature and humidity data and send this data on web page at real time. Algorithm suggested suitable crops on current condition is visuals to flowchart like sensor senses and it gives data to the web app and web app suggested the best crop solution to the farmer or that person who is using this app.
Its benefits is increase crop yield by suggesting automatic crops, save time, reduce waste work, easy integration with extended farm, prevent crop failure due to environmental condition, visual, happy farmer with healthy crops.
And the prototype of this project is we have used soil moisture sensor, humidity sensor and ESP8266 as a microcontroller. Soil moisture sensor senses the moisture in the soil, humidity sensor senses the humidity surrounding that place and we have implanted API key of open weather map in the ESP8266 microcontroller. It suggests the best soil condition and suggests the best crop for the farmer to implant in his farm. We have designed this web page for that device. Here, the first page. This is the crop suggestor by Agnispark. This is the working of website when the device is connected. The device is not connected, then it shows connect your ESP8266 on to get real-time data. Where you have to click on get started. Then it shows the second web page. Here, the soil moisture of the land, humidity and temperature of that current place. And based on this, it shows the recommended crops. If the farmer is not literate, then he can use that read aloud button. We implanted languages like local languages like Hindi, Marathi and Tamil that the farmer can choose and listen because most of farmers are not literate.
Thank you.
Thank you.